BrightPay's Payroll Journal feature allows users to create wage journals from the finalised payslips and upload them into your Kashflow accounts package using API. Within Payroll, select Journal on the menu toolbar followed by Kashflow. On the next screen, choose Kashflow API as your destination. Set your date range. The journal will include records for all payslips across all pay frequencies with a pay date within the selected range. Under Rollup, select whether you would like the journal to include individual records for each employee or whether to merge the records for each unique date. Enter your username and password that you use to log into your Kashflow account. To make sure your Kashflow API is enabled, go to Apps within your Kashflow account, then through API settings on the top right corner. Make sure there is a tick beside Enable. Should you wish to include the employee's department name as a Kashflow project name, tick the box provided. If a default project name is required, enter accordingly in the field provided. Please note, for this option, you must have projects enabled within your Kashflow account and have allowed the assigning of journal lines to projects. Click Continue. Your nominal ledger codes will now be retrieved from Kashflow. Simply map each payroll data item to the relevant nominal account code. A nominal account code can be used for multiple items. When ready to proceed, click Continue. Nominal ledger mapping variations allows you to specify any circumstances for which amounts should be mapped to an alternate nominal account code. For each payroll data item you wish to add a variation for, click Add Variation. For the payroll data item selected, set the rules to apply in order for the amount to be mapped to the designated nominal account. Rules can be set according to period type, directorship, department, and specific pay item. For example, if you want your director's salaries to be mapped to the same nominal account, you would update your rules like shown on screen. Make sure you choose the correct nominal account you wish all this information to be linked to. Click Save when complete. Your rules will now be displayed on screen under the payroll data item it is associated with. Further variations can be added for different pay items or for the same payroll data item by simply clicking Add Variation again and setting the rules to apply. Once variations have been set, they can be edited, deleted, or reordered by clicking the spanner symbol next to it. Also clicking the nominal account information displayed in green provides quick access to the rules that have been set. When you've finished creating your variations, click Continue. Your journal will now be displayed on screen for review. Simply click the back button to make any amendments. When you are ready to upload your journal, click Send to Kashflow. A confirmation will be displayed on screen to confirm successful upload into your Kashflow account. If you want to print, email, or export a copy of your journal as a PDF, press Print. To close the journal screen, simply click the cross at the top right of this screen. If you've made any changes to the journal, you'll be asked if you wish to save your changes. Click Yes or No as required.